we're gonna start off. We're gonna get this seasoned up right. You have your black pepper. Gonna sprinkle some of that on there. Just toss it around there. You a little bit of garlic salt. Garlic salt works well. Nature seasoning blend, all-purpose seasoning, Lawry's. Gotta keep that. Some lemon pepper seasoning. Not too much, just sprinkle it around there. Crushed red pepper for a little kick to your chicken. Once it's all seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and slide that batch into the air fryer. Turn that on 30 minutes and put it on about 475. I also had some frying here just to compare and contrast the two different ways of cooking the chicken. I do prefer the air fried method because it eliminates the need for all the oil. Air fried method is definitely better and it's healthier. So I do recommend the air fried version of the chicken. Right here, the chicken comes out of the cast iron skillet. And of course, you have to have your Frank's Red Hot sauce. And let's see how these look here in the air fryer. Okay, the air fryer, wow. That's beautiful. Very beautiful.